Switzerland's scheduled airline companies have a comprehensive connection network, linking all important locations within the country and throughout the world. The Swiss aviation industry provides several tens of thousands of employees with jobs, which are directly dependent on scheduled air traffic. In 2003, Swiss was chosen as the best airline in Europe, thanks to its outstanding in-flight service and excellent record for safety and reliability. Pre-flying training under the name of Sphere, Exploring Aviation Talent, sponsored by the federal government, offers Swiss citizens aged between 17 and 26 the unique opportunity of a comprehensive professional aptitude assessment with a view to pilot training, the ideal and easiest entry to the world of civil or military aviation. High-quality standards and carefully trained staff ensure comfortable travel in a pleasant atmosphere.